Well, there you go, as I sit here in the van, listening to the pitter-patter of raindrops, contemplating on my next move. Don't quite know what to do. Should I continue eating my lunch? I'm halfway through a tangerine at the moment. But just reflecting on the day, I think. I'm going to give it half hour. It's nice to have a bit of peace and quiet, actually. I put my phone on silent. I'm totally cut off from the world, and all I can do is listening to the raindrops. I could be really stressed at the moment. I could really be upset, worrying about how am I going to make a wage. But that's not going to get me anywhere. What I got to do is focus on the now. I just as well use this time to meditate. It's lovely listening to the raindrops. Nothing we can do about the rain. It's going to fall. No matter what we do and how stressed we get, just got to accept it until it stops. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spend the next 5 minutes just listening to the rain and meditating. And why don't you join me? Why don't you join me just listening to the rain for the next couple of minutes and just chill and concentrate on your breathing. Use our 4x4 method, I said to you. You know, count to 4 on the way in, count to 4 on the way out, count to 4 on the way in, and count to 4 on the way out. And just join me watching the raindrops. Clears the mind, doesn't it? Get clarity of thought. As I was filming that, I was looking out the window and I'm thinking, there's a lot of dirty gutters around here. Dirty gutters mean one thing. There's a problem. They're going to be full on the inside. And if they're full on the inside and they're dirty on the outside, people will want them cleaned. So there's a potential, a fair bit of money around here. So by taking time out and concentrating on the now, I've just realised maybe I should do some door knocking and see if I can raise some cash. That would be good, especially this time of year. And that's what happens sometimes when you sit down and get clarity of thought. The pitter-patter of raindrops have just slowed down a bit now. You need to take time out and reevaluate the situation, and don't worry, don't stress yourself, just accept things as they are. And sometimes the sun will poke its little head through a cloud, it'll warm up, and within 5 minutes people have forgotten it's raining. So you can just carry on with your day. I think that's what I might do now. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes, let it subside, put my rain jacket on and carry on with my day and see if I can't complete what I wanted to do today. Plus, I can make a mental note to come back here and knock these doors that need knocking. There you go, everyone's a winner. So take time out of your day and just live in that moment and get clarity of thought. That's my only thought for the day. It is. That's my thought for the day. Take 5 minutes out of your life and give yourself some clarity of thought. There we go.